In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print bill in QuickBooks Online. Let's start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Sign in and make sure you're on the main home screen so the top navigation is visible. We'll use that menu to get straight to your bills. If your view looks a little different, that's okay. QuickBooks occasionally updates layouts, but the option we need is always accessible from the top navigation. From the top menu, select Expenses and Pay Bills. This takes you to the Expenses area where you can see all your purchase-related transactions in one place. If you manage a lot of vendor activity, this page is especially helpful because you can quickly filter exactly what you want to print. Once you're in Expenses, look for the filter or drop-down control near the top of the list. Click the drop-down and choose Bill. This narrows the list to only bill transactions, removing things like expenses or vendor credits. Filtering first helps ensure you're printing the right information and avoid sending extra pages to your printer. If you have a lot of bills, you can also refine further with date ranges or vendor names using the other on-screen filters. But the key is to make sure bill is selected. With your list filtered to bills, head to the top right corner of the page and click the printer icon. That opens your browser's print preview window. Here you'll see exactly what will be printed. If the preview looks too zoomed in or cut off, use the scale or layout options in the print dialog to fit more on the page, and switch between portrait and landscape if needed. Next, choose your destination. Select your physical printer if you're printing a hard copy, or pick a virtual option like Save as PDF if you need a digital copy to email or file. Double check that the correct printer is selected, the number of copies is set to 1 unless you need more, and that the page range is set to all unless you want to limit the print to specific pages. When everything looks good, click Print. If nothing happens, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, confirm your printer is online and connected, and try refreshing the page before repeating the print command. Saving to PDF first can also be a helpful fallback if your physical printer is busy or unavailable. And that's it. You've filtered your transactions to bills, opened the print dialog, chosen your destination, and printed fast, accurate, and organized.